How to post long emails on Instagram. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to post long emails on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to web or open a web browser on your device. There you have to search for Square emails and then choose and upload the particular emails, and there you can easily choose the blur range and download the long emails for your Instagram. After you do that, you need to launch your Instagram application on your device. Make sure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Then tap plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Here, select the emails which you want to post as long emails on Instagram. But you need to select that image which you have downloaded from Square Emails. Now tap the next button at top right corner of the screen. And here you can easily edit and customize as per your choice. Then tap next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Write a caption, add a location, tag people, add music. You can choose the audience. If you wish to share to your Facebook or Threads, you can easily do that and tap the share button once done. It will be posted on your Instagram as a long image. So that is it. I hope this video worked for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.